Okay, today we're doing some wheel spacers for the E93 M3. So we got 20 millimeters in the back, and we're doing 15 millimeters in the front, just to give it that little wider stance. So right now, we already got one wheel off. You can kind of see how this one's very inset. So you can barely see the top. And the back, it's pretty much the same. It's all about the angle though. So we're just trying to get a little wider. So we already got this back right wheel off. There's a little bit of rust here, so we just used a little brush and tried to get most of it off, but I think if we just get on the outside it should be fine, because that's how it's sitting right here. So I think it's gonna give it a good extra wide stance. And right now we're just cleaning this wheel while we have it off.
We'll do the final torque once we get it kind of back on the ground.